Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create your UK bank account. Like I already told you that one of the things that you must set up very correctly so that you can make withdrawals after you have made money from your survey is for you to have the proper payment system, okay, which usually is PayPal. So what we want to do, for example, if you want to withdraw your money from Swagbucks, you have to link your PayPal to Swagbucks, and then you have to link your foreign bank account to your PayPal, and then you have to link your Naira. That is how it works. And then the account that we're going to be creating in this video is grey.co account. Okay, so just follow me as I show you how to go about that. Now, the first thing you need to understand is that you're going to be using an email for this account opening. Make sure that it's the email that you're using to open your Swagbucks account. That's the same email you're going to use. Remember, I told you that the email you're using has to be an email that is qualified to open a new UK PayPal account. I already mentioned that in one of the videos that we've already seen. So make sure that you do that. And then again, this has nothing to do with your VPN, so make sure that your VPN is off while you're trying to create this account. So the first thing you want to do here is to come to Play Store. Alright, so here at Play Store, just come and search for Grey. I'm just going to click on that. Alright, so this is the Grey app that we're trying to install. So I'm just going to tap install. Okay, so my Grey app has been installed now, so I'm just going to tap on open. Okay, so as you can see, I receive your payment faster, blah blah blah. So I'm going to come here to create your free account. If you already have an account before, you just want to log in. So I'm going to create free account by tapping this blue. All right, you're going to choose your country. Okay, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to leave my option at Nigeria. If you're not in Nigeria, just go ahead and choose any of your country. So I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so here I want you to be very careful here. Now you are supposed to fill in your basic information here. So as you can see here, they are asking for your first name and your legal surname as it appears on your ID. Okay, so I don't know the ID you're going to be using, but I want to suggest that you use the plastic national identity card or the NIN. And if it is the NIN slip you have, well, you can also use that too. So I'm just going to type in my name here. All right, so here at legal surname, again I'm going to type in my legal surname. Okay, gender, you're going to come here and choose your gender. Email address, remember what I told you, make sure that is the email address that you're using for your Swagbucks. So this is my email address. Here I will enter my phone number. Okay, so here they're asking for referral code. It's not compulsory. So once I have successfully put in my correct details, I'm going to just click on the blue continue. Okay, so here I'll be required to put in my password. And here they said at least your password must be 8 characters. It must have an uppercase, a lower. You know how these things be. So just make sure you use the right things. Okay, so here is correct. So I'm going to repeat that same password again. Alright, so now that my password is good to go, I will just come back here and then I'm going to click on the next button. Okay, so here I'll go to my email inbox and check up for the verification code that has been sent to me. I mean your OTP, so let me do that. Alright, so you can see here, confirm your identity. So I'm going to click on that message. So this is it here. So I'm just going to come back here.
Okay, so what do you want to use gray for? Okay, so whatever it is you want to use it for, you can always choose it. But here, I'm going to say, create a foreign account to receive payments. Then I'm going to say receive money from family and friends, send money abroad. Okay, you can choose all of them if you feel like, but I think I'm just going to go with these three, and then I'm going to submit. So here they're asking me to set up a pin for easy access to this app. So I'm going to click on the setup pin. Okay, I'm going to give this pin. So I'm going to create my pin here. I'm going to continue. Okay, I'm going to reconfirm the pin, and then I'm going to continue. So you can see here, welcome to Gray. So my Gray account has been created successfully. So I'm going to go home. Okay, so I'm going to come back to where is Gray. I'm going to come back to Gray. All right, so now I am in. Okay, so now you can see that I am in already, and then the next thing I want to do now is to go create my UK account, which I'm going to show you how to do in the next video. So let's go over to the next video and get that done.